This video is regarding a project, Library Management Robot, which has been proposed by Ms. M. Soundarya and Ms. Gogapriya, and has been guided by Mr. M. Armugarata, Assistant Professor of Department Electronics and Communication Engineering. It is not possible for a person to search a particular book in a library, which consists of n number of books. It will just increase the time and effort that work to be done. The main theme of a project is to reduce the manual routine work done by the librarian. It demonstrates the application of robots for the library inventory management system. This robot is designed by using motors which keep track of the librarian books which are arranged in the shelves. This is one part of our hardware unit. When the power is given, the transformer converts 230 volts into lower voltage. This lower voltage is given to the power supply. The power supply is converted into 5 volts. Then is given to the PIC microcontroller. This is a PIC IC which we use. From this PIC IC, the signals are given to the level converter and encoder. The level converter works under the concept of TTL logic, and this encoder.
This is our robot. The encoder is used to send the data to the robot through the RF transmitter. The RF is the RF receiver. The RF receiver receives the data from the RF transmitter. The LDR is used to sense the line. The decoder converts the multiple input to a single output. The decoder gets the data. It sends to the driver circuit. Accordingly, the robot searches the book. The reader reads the RFID tag. The robot gets the data book which has to be searched from the PC through the RF transmitter. Gives the input and clicks the start button. The robot carries the RFID reader which collects the RFID tag data from the arrangement of books in a vertical manner and compares the decoded RFID tag with the search input. The robot moves on the black line which is based on the line follower concept. Because of this concept, the robot will move in a straight line. If the robot reaches the book which is to be followed, it will take the book and return to read the starting position. Thus, the robot is used for the searching purpose. The misplaced books can be identified using the pre-programmed data in the robot, which helps to maintain an arrangement of books in an order.
கொடுத்துட்டீங்களா? இதில் புக்கை 2 செலக்ட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அங்கே நான் வர்றேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை வந்து கொடுக்கலாம். நான் தான் ஆன் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு வச்சுருக்கேன். தெரியுமா? வெயிட் ஆன் பண்ணுங்க. இப்போ என்டர் பண்ணுங்க. என்டர் பண்ணலாம். வெயிட் கொடுக்கலாம். ரீசெட் பண்ணுங்க. செகண்ட் டைம் கொடுங்க. இல்லை அங்கே